the cost elements creation, right? Okay, cost elements creation. Cost element creation, we can create either manually or automatically. Manually, we can create at FI level or controlling level. Okay, manual creation, we can create in two ways. One is a FI level manual creation, other one is a controlling level manual creation. Okay, and other option is the automatic creation. Automatic creation also we can create in two ways. One is a FI level cost elements automatic creation, and other one is a CO level automatic creation. Okay, in last class we started FI level manual creation. Manual creation of primary cost element at FI level, right? Transaction code is FS00. Cost element is GL account. All FI P&L GL accounts we can create as a primary cost elements. All FI P&L GL accounts, incomes and expense GL accounts we can create as a primary cost elements in FI. In last to last class, we discussed what are all the cost elements categories we have. What is mean by primary, what is mean by secondary, and how many primary cost element categories we have, how many secondary cost element categories we have. Each category importance we discussed, and last class I stopped due to cost elements. You didn't answer, right? That's why I stopped the class and I asked you to prepare the cost element categories. Okay, up to you, sir, whether you prepared or not. That is okay, because I gave already enough time to prepare. Okay, now I'm going to continue. Okay, I'm not checking whether you prepared or not. Next one, manual creation of cost element. Manual creation of the primary cost element at FI level, FS00. 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 GL account is 1 lakh. What is our company code? LGMB. Okay, GL account is already created. Okay, GL is already there. Now this GL, we have to create a primary cost element. Here we created the GL account already. You are aware about these 6 tabs in general ledger master. What is type, description, everything. Here we don't have option to select the primary or secondary cost element category option. We have to go to controlling. Okay, here how to go to controlling? What is the option? Okay, what is the option to go to controlling? Here in FS00 we have the option edit cost element. Please note down, click on cost element, edit cost element button. GL account 1 lakh, salaries, company code LGMB, click on edit cost element button. Click on edit cost element button. Cost element 1 lakh, salary GL. Cost element 1 lakh, salary GL. Valid from, sir, step field by field already I explained, right? I provided the theory also, field by field. Okay, practical. Cost element 1 lakh, salaries, valid from 01/04/2022 to maximum date 31/12/999. Want to create 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, maximum years, maintain that period, interval year. Okay, day, only specify day, week, specify from to week. Okay, month, specify from to month, year, specify from to year. Okay, or if you want to create maximum, then specify maximum date. Press enter. Press enter. Basic data tab, name, salary cost, name, salary cost, salaries cost, cost element category, So now here we can view only, it will update only primary cost element categories. Why? Because this is the FIGL account. FIGL account, we can create only primary cost elements. Okay, we cannot create as a secondary cost element. Okay, this is the cost related. This is cost related cost element. Select, okay, one primary cost. Select cost element category 1, primary cost element. Okay. Sir, last class I explained the what is mean by attribute mix, what is mean by functional area, what is the use of indicators, what is use of default account assignment, what is mean by history, everything I was explained in last session. You can follow last session recording. Okay. You can follow if you want to write the notes, then follow the previous class recording. Press enter and save. Press enter and save. Press enter and save. Observe the message. Cost element has been created. Cost element has been created. If you want to change, anything in cost element, if you want to change anything in cost element, then go to KA02 transaction. Then go to KA02 transaction. Display KA03. Display KA03. Delete KA04. Delete KA04. Multiple cost elements display at a time. Multiple cost elements display at a time. KA23. Multiple cost elements deletion. Multiple cost elements deletion. KA24. If you want to delete the master data, cost element master data, if you want to delete the cost element master data in controlling, if you want to delete the cost element master data in controlling, then use transaction code, KA04 or KA24. We can delete the cost element. We can delete the cost element. We can delete the cost element if no data, as posted. If no data as posted. If you posted the some data to cost element, if you posted some data to cost element, then we cannot delete the cost element. Then we cannot delete the cost element. We can only log for postings. We can only log for postings. We can only log for postings. Without data, we can delete the cost elements. Okay, yeah. Cost element changes. Cost element changes. Next option, next side heading, cost element changes. We can change the cost element details. We can change the cost element to details using transaction KA02, using transaction KA02. If nothing is posted, if nothing is posted. If cost element is data free, if cost element is data free, no postings recorded to cost element, no postings recorded in cost element, no postings recorded in cost element, then we can modify cost element to name. Then we can modify the cost element to name. We can change the cost element to category. We can change the cost element to category from 1 to 3, from 1 to 3, 11 to 12, etc. And record quantity and cost object assignment. If something is posted to cost element, if something is posted to cost element, other than text, we cannot modify anything. 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 Okay, like this is existing controlling area SOCA. Here I posted multiple transactions to this account, but still we can modify the description. Okay, we can modify the description, but we cannot change the cost element category. See, cost element category lead income test data in mode. If you select yes, it will throw the error. Okay, this is not possible. We can change only text. We cannot change any other fields. Like we have the record quantity and we have the default account assignment. Okay, cost object assignment. These are all the things it will not allow except to text description. Following, right? Next, create a second cost element in FI. Create second cost element in FI, FS00, FS00. GL account 1,01,000. GL account 1,01,000 rent account. Company code LGMB. Company code LGMB. Click on edit cost element button. Click on edit cost element button. Click on edit cost element button. Cost element 1,01,000. Cost element 1,01,000. From date 01/04/2022 to 31/12/999. Press enter. Press enter. Name rent cost. Rent cost. Rent cost. Category 01. Category 01. Rent cost. Category 01. Save. Name rent cost. Cost element category 01. All cost. Save. Save. Next. 1,02,000 office expenses. 1,02,000 office expenses. 1,02,000 office expenses. Company code LGMB. Company code LGMB. Click on edit cost element button. Click on edit cost element button. Cost element 1,02,000. Cost element 1,02,000. Valid from 01/04/2022 to 31/12/999. 31/12/999. Press enter. Name office expenses. Category 01. Name office expenses. Controlling, there is no account concept, sir. Salaries account, rent account, no account concept in controlling. Cost or revenue. Okay, no accounts. Office expenses. Save. Office expenses. Category 1. Save. Save. Next 1,03,000. Next 1,03,000. Employee bonus. Employee bonus. Sir, bonus is, it is the accrual deferral category, right? What is the category? 03. Category is 03. Employee bonus 1,03,000. Company code LGMB. Click on edit cost element. Click on edit cost element. Cost element. Cost element. Cost element 1,03,000. Zero 01/04/2022 to 31/12/999. This is common. Enter. Cost element to category, employee bonus expenses. Category 03. Employee bonus cost. Category 03. Press enter and save. Press enter and save. Press enter and save. Okay. Press enter and save. One lakh 99. Discount account, discount cost. What is the discount category? What is the discount category? Sales discount, right? This is sales discount. What is the discount category? Sales expenses 12. Sales expenses. This is sales discount. Discount. Category 12. GL account 1,999. Company code LGMB. Click on edit cost element. Click on edit cost element. Cost element 1,99,000. Press enter. Cost element 1,99,000. Press enter. Name sales discount. Category 12. Sales discount. Sales discount or sales deductions. Enter. Save. Enter. Save. Next. Next one. Next one. 3 lakh. 3 lakh. Sales revenue. Sales revenue. What is the sales revenue category? All revenues, either sales or normal or miscellaneous, any revenue. Category is 11.
11.
Sales revenue 11. GL account 3 lakh. Company code LGMB. Company code LGMB. Click on edit cost element button. Edit cost element button. Cost element 3 lakh. Enter. Cost element 3 lakh. Enter. What is the name? Sales revenue. Sales revenue category 11. Sales revenue category 11. Enter and save. Enter and save. Okay. Similarly, you can create n number of cost elements. Okay, in FS00 itself. Okay, only prerequisite is if you want to create any primary cost element, first create the GL account. Okay, example, this is my income GL account. I don't have GL. This GL itself, I have not created the GL. If you are trying to create the edit cost element button, it will throw the error. First to create the GL. What is the error here? Create the GL account first, then create the cost element. Okay, without GL account you cannot create the primary cost elements. Following, right? That is the only condition. Okay, here using this option manually you can create n number of cost elements. Once GL account is created, use this option and create cost elements, primary cost elements. Okay, this is at FI level, right? Next one, create primary cost element. Create primary cost element. Create primary cost element. Manually at CO level. At CO level. At CO level. At CO level. Working note 1. Working note 1. Delete existing 6 cost elements. Delete existing 6 cost elements. KA24, right? KA24. Transaction code is KA24. KA24. Select all cost elements option. Select all cost elements, radio button. Select all cost elements, radio button. Valid from 01/04/2022. Valid from 01/04/2022 to 31/12/999. 31/12/999. Select to test run. Test run is a simulation run, right? Test run is not a real run. It is a simulation run. Test run select, execute. Execute. Observe. Below 6 cost elements can be deleted. Below 6 cost elements can be deleted, no issues. Below 6 cost elements can be deleted, no issues. No issues. Select back. Remove test run, execute. Remove test run and execute. Remove test run and execute. Select yes. Select yes. Observe. Below 6 cost elements were deleted. Below 6 cost elements were deleted. Now no cost elements. Now no cost elements. If you want to see the cost element report KA23, there is no cost element. Okay, everything deleted. Nothing is available. Whatever we created earlier, all cost elements we deleted. Okay, we deleted. Next, again, I will create these cost elements at controlling level, CO level. Okay, same cost elements. Okay, same these 6 cost elements. Again, I will create at the controlling level manually. Okay, only prerequisite is this is primary cost elements. We have to create the GL accounts first. Yes, already we have the GL accounts. Okay, already these 6 accounts we created as a GL account in FI. Now, same codes, using the same codes, create cost elements in controlling. Okay, yeah. Next one, create below cost elements. Create below primary cost elements. Create below primary cost elements. Transaction code KA01. Transaction code is KA01. Sir, instead of creating new, I deleted existing and I'm creating again. Okay. For better understanding purpose, I was deleted, sir. Okay, I'm creating same. Instead of creating multiple, I'm deleting and I'm creating again. Path, SAP menu, accounting, controlling, cost element accounting. SAP menu, accounting, controlling, cost element accounting. SAP menu, accounting, controlling, cost element accounting. Master data, cost element, master data, cost element, individual processing, So all the steps here we have. Okay, KA01, individual processing, KA01 create primary cost element. KA01 create primary cost element. Okay, enter. Cost element 1 lakh salaries, 1 lakh salaries. Cost element 1 lakh salaries. Valid from 01/04/2022. Valid from 01/04/2022 to 31/12/999. Enter. Enter. Salaries cost. Name salaries cost. Category 01 save. Category 01 save. Salary cost. Sir, if you are trying to create again, then it will throw the error. See, this cost element is already exist. Okay, this cost element is already exist. Similar GL account. GL account, once GL account is exist, then you cannot create same account with again other details. Okay, yeah. Second 1 lakh 1. Second cost element 1 lakh 1. Second cost element 1 lakh 1. Second cost element 1 lakh 1. Valid from 01/04/2022 to 31/12/999. Valid from 01/04/2022 to 31/12/999. Rent cost. Cost element category 01. Name rent cost or rent expenses. Enter and save. Next, third one. Cost element 1 lakh 2. Cost element 1 lakh 2. Valid from 01/04/2022 to 31/12/999. Enter. Enter. Name office expenses. Cost element category 01. Cost element category 01. Save. Cost element category 01. Next, fourth one. Fourth cost element 1 lakh 3. Fourth cost element 1 lakh 3. Right, sir? 1 lakh 3. Valid from 01/04/2022 to 31/12/999. Press enter. Press enter. Name employee bonus. What is the category, sir? 03. Category is 03. Accrual deferral. Save. Enter and save. Next, fifth one. Cost element 1,99,000. Cost element 1,99,000. Valid from 01/04/2022. Valid from 01/04/2022 to 31/12/999. Enter. Sales discount. Cost element category 12. Cost element category 12. Enter and save. Enter and save. Next to sixth cost element 3 lakh. 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 Valid from 01/04/2022 to 31/12/999. What is the sales revenue, right? Name sales revenue. Sir, GL name, cost element name, it will update automatically from GL account. If you want to use the same, then you can use. If you want to change, then you can change the cost element name during the creation. Okay. Cost element category 11. Enter and save. Okay, enter and save. Now, next step. Display all cost elements. Display all cost elements. Display all cost elements. KA23. Sir, similarly, you can create n number of, sir. Pick up all FIGL accounts one by one. Use KA01 in controlling. Create cost element. Okay. Use KA01 transaction in controlling and create primary cost elements. Okay. Select all cost elements radio button. All cost elements radio button. Valid from 01/04/2022 to 31/12/999. Execute. 31/12/999. Execute. Observe. Observe all six cost elements. All six cost elements with category. Observe all six cost elements with category. Right? 1, 1, 1, 3, 12, 11. Following, right? Any questions on manual creation? We completed the manual creation at FI level. We completed the manual creation at CO level. Primary cost element manual creation at FI level. Primary cost element manual creation at CO level. Any questions, sir? Creation, manual creation. If no, then delete. If no, then delete all cost elements. So I'm going to repeat the same numbers. That's why I'm deleting every time. Delete all cost elements. Next step, delete all cost elements. During your practice, if you want to use some other number, then use instead of deletion. Okay. Delete all cost elements. KA24. KA24. Select all cost elements radio button. Valid from 01/04/2022 to 31/12/999. 01/04/2022 to 31/12/999. Select execute. Select yes. Select execute. Select yes. Select yes. Observe the output. Observe the output. Below 6 cost elements were deleted. Below 6 cost elements were deleted. Right? Yes. Now no cost elements. Now no cost elements. We deleted existing all cost elements. Okay. Sir, any questions on manual creation? Any questions? Any doubts? We completed the manual creation. Next one. Automatic creation. Automatic creation. Automatic creation. Automatic primary cost element creation at FI level. First step. Automatic primary cost element creation. First one. Automatic primary cost element creation at FI level. Configuration. First step. Step 1. Change chart of accounts setting. Change chart of accounts cost element creation setting from manual to automatic. Change chart of accounts cost element creation setting from manual to automatic. Transaction code OB13. Transaction code is OB13. Sir, what is the chart of account? LGOC. Yeah. Select chart of account LGOC. Operational chart of accounts for LG groups. Select chart of account LGOC. Operational chart of accounts for LG groups. Click on details button. Controlling integration. Select automatic creation of cost elements. Automatic creation of cost elements. Note. During the implementation project, we have to set up initially We have to set up this step initially. We have to set up this step initially. Either manual creation or automatic creation. Either manual creation or automatic creation. If you select automatic creation, cost elements will create automatically. Cost elements will create automatically along with general ledgers. Along with general ledgers. No need to create manually. No need to create manually. If you select in chart of accounts level, automatic creation of cost element, then we have to maintain the cost element templates, with respect to each number wise. Second step number 2, set up cost element to templates. Set up cost element to templates. OKB2. Path SPRO IMG controlling. Cost element accounting. Master data cost elements. Automatic creation of primary and secondary cost elements. Make default settings. Chart of accounts LGOC. New entries. New entries. This is our GL accounts. Okay. Here we have to set up salary, rent, office expenses 1 lakh to cost element category 01 and 1 lakh 3 1 lakh 3 to 1 lakh 3. Cost element category is 03. Why? Because it is a bonus. Okay, it is a bonus. Next one, 1 lakh 4, 1 lakh 5, 1 lakh 6, 7, 8 till 8. 1 lakh 4 to 1 lakh 8. We have to maintain all the ranges. Okay, 1 lakh 4 to 1 lakh 8, again 1, category 1, or 1 lakh 1 lakh 98, 1 lakh 98, 1 lakh 99, 1 lakh 99, 12 category, right? 12 category, and 100, 102, 100, 102, 100, 199. Example, 01 category, 100, 202, 100, 299, 22 category, 22 category, and remaining other numbers 100, 302, 2, 99999, 01 category. Following, right? These range we have to specify. Example, based on this assignment, whenever creating the GL account under this range, in this range, okay, example, I am creating the GL account 100, 199. Then if you are creating this GL account, system it will check the what is the back end cost element assignment. Back end cost element assignment is 1. During your GL account creation, it will create the cost element automatically. It will pick up here and it will generate the cost element automatically. Okay. Because of this reason, we have to set up the categories. We have to set up the assignment categories. Okay. See. And remaining all 3 series incomes, right? 3 lakh to 4 lakh 999 is category 11. Set up the same, sir. Set up the same. Example, click on new entries from number to number. Here we have the option to set up specify from to and category. Note down, sir. From account, or if you want to set up, we completed the SD, right? Sales expenses, sales discount. This is the right. Can set up now. So this range is sales expenses. That's why I included this range. 161,000,161,099. We created sales expenses. Revenue category, all your income series, your income GL series will be 11 category. We have to assign to 11 category. Right, sir? Completed, right? Yes. Next one, save. Next one, create new GL accounts. Create new GL accounts. Create new GL accounts. FS00. This process is only applicable for new GL accounts. This process is only applicable for new GL accounts. Before this step, before this setup, if you already created any GL accounts, if you created the GL accounts already, then those accounts, it will not create the cost elements automatically. Then those accounts, it will not create the cost element automatically. Right, sir? Sir, we created some GL accounts already, right? Example 1 lakh. Example FS00 1 lakh salaries. Okay, if you check this KA03, there is no cost element for this account. See? Okay. Create a new GL account. Example 100 200 FS00 100 200 company code LGMB, click on create button, account group expenses P&L. What is this category GL, sir? Which category we assign to this account? 22, right? Example FICO external settlement. settlement. FICO external settlement. This account name is FICO external settlement. FICO external settlement. Trading partner LG underscore GRP and group account number. Select other expenses. Group account number 30,004 other expenses. Normal P&L account. Control data. Account currency INR, only balance in local currency, line item display, sort key 001, normal P&L account. Create bank interest data tab, field status group, G013, general, G013 general, G013 general. Sir, how many cost elements available? None of the cost elements. No cost elements available as of now. Okay. Enter all the data in GL. Click on save. Click on save the GL. I am not clicking the edit cost element. Okay. I am using the only FI option. Select to save. I am creating the GL, not cost element. Click on save. So by default, it will create the cost element automatically. Okay, system, it will create the cost element automatically. Just to check here. See, cost element is created automatically. Cost element is created automatically, right? Earlier it was not. Now cost element is created automatically. Following, right, sir? Cost element is created automatically. FICO external settlement account, category 22. Why it is created automatically? Because we are following the automatic cost element creation option. In the configuration chart of accounts configuration level, we maintain the chart of account cost element creation option automatic. And also another one, we maintain the templates. We maintain the templates. This GL to this GL follow this category. This GL to this GL follow this category. We maintain these templates. Based on these templates, it is creating the cost elements in controlling automatically along with the GL. During your GL creation, it is creating the cost element automatically. Following, right? Yes. Example, create this account 1 all zeros 98. Paper bill example. This is my paper bill GL. 1 all zeros 98. This is paper bill GL and GL account is not available. FS00. This account is not available, does not exist. I am creating newly. GL account 1,98,000. No down. Create new GL account. GL account 1,98,000. 1,98,000. Company code LGMB. Click on create. Company code LGMB. Click on create. Account group expenses P&L. Example, paper bill. Normal expense GL, paper bill, 1,98,000. Sir, here in your range, templates range, 1,98,000, you maintained as a one cost element category. Now, along with your GL account, this cost element category 1 will create automatically. Once GL account is saved, it will create the cost element category automatically. If you want, you can check the right now what are all the cost elements available. You can check here. Right now we have only one cost element, that is external settlement. This account is not available. This cost element is not yet created. Okay, along with your GL account, it will create the cost element. I'm creating the GL account. Okay, I'm creating GL account. See, if you click the save button, okay, cost GL account is created. We can check cost element also. See, cost element is created. Paper bill account. Paper bill account 1,98,000, cost element 1 created. Right? Any questions, sir? You can create n number of. Only thing is existing. If you already created the some GL accounts, those GL accounts, it will not apply the cost element category. Newly created GL accounts only, it will create the cost element automatically. Okay, if you follow this step. If you follow this step. Any questions, sir? Example.
Sir, one question.
Yes, sir.
Sir, for already existing one, again, we need to do it manually, means again we need to create one more cost element manually, or we can use the existing one.
You have to create manually only. Why? Because you don't have any other option.
Okay.
Okay. That's why this is the initially during your implementation, this is the initial step. If you set up initially, then all your GL accounts, it will create the cost element automatically. Following, right?
Yes, yes.
Don't set up this middle. Okay, set up this in beginning. During your chart of accounts creation itself set up. If you want to follow automatic, then set up automatic. If you set up automatic, then your first GL account itself, it will create the cost element. Following, right?
Got it, sir.
Okay. Okay. Example, if you create some more GL accounts. Okay, I tested 2, sir. If you want, we can create more also. Example, this is the account. It will create 11 automatically. See, GL account. First, I will create the GL account for all lines. Click on create. This is income GL, P&L, miscellaneous income, miscellaneous income account, miscellaneous income account. This is a LG Group trading partner, other incomes. Set up normal fields. GL account, how to set up, you know. No need to teach again and again, right, sir? GL account, how to set up, you already aware. Okay. I am just creating the GL account, FI GL account. Where is revenue? 29. Okay. Yeah. Save. Before clicking the save button, let me check. Here we have only 2 now, 98 and 200. Okay, if you click the save button, this account also, it will create the cost element automatically for all 9s. Select back, execute it again. See, this account also created. Right? Any question, sir? Any question, sir? No.
No, sir.
Okay. Next one. Next step. Delete all cost elements. Sir, primary cost element, FI level automatic creation already we completed. Right? Now FI level we completed manual and automatic. FI level primary cost element manual creation and primary cost element automatic creation we discussed. Okay. Next one, delete all cost elements. KA24. Delete cost elements. KA24. Cost elements KA24. Select all cost elements radio button. Execute. Select all cost elements radio button. Remove test run. Execute. Remove test run. Execute. Observe the output. All cost elements were deleted. Observe the output. All cost elements were deleted. Observe the output. All cost elements were deleted. No cost elements now. No cost elements now. Right? Next one. Next one. This is FI level, right? Next, controlling level. Automatic primary cost element creation at CO level. Automatic primary cost element creation at CO level. Yeah. This step is applicable for after GL accounts creation. This step is applicable for after GL accounts creation. Once GL master data is created, once GL master data is created, then we can use this option. Each FI P&L GL account wise, we can maintain the templates. And we can create all primary GL accounts, to cost elements, all primary GL accounts to cost elements. We can create automatically using this step. Okay. First step, change chart of accounts, cost element creation setting, chart of accounts, cost elements creation setting, manual, setting as manual, OB13, OB13, select chart of account LGOC, click on details, controlling integration, manual creation of cost element, save. Manual creation of cost element, save. Next step, set up cost element to templates, OKB2. This is a common for both. This is common for FI automatic, CO automatic. Set up cost element to templates, OKB2. This is already available, right? This step is already exist. Follow the same. This step is already exist. Follow the same. This is the one. This step is already exist. Follow the same. This step is already exist. Follow the same. Next one. Step number 3. Create batch input session. Create batch input session, OKB3. Create batch input session, OKB3 for create batch input session. Okay, B3 for available GL accounts to linked cost elements. Available GL accounts to linked cost elements. Same path, sir. This is the path. Create batch input session. Controlling area LGCA. Path is same. Controlling area LGCA. Valid from 01/04/2022 to 31/12/999. The session you can enter anything, right? During our foreign currency revaluation, during our recurring entries posting, we maintain the session name, right? It is a text field, example PMSAP. Session name PMSAP. Sir, who is creating this session? My name is SAP user. See here. My username is SAP user. Batch input session user is SAP user. Sir, as of now, how many P&L accounts I have? Just to observe here. I have these many accounts I have. 47 accounts I have. Okay, it will create 47 cost elements now. Okay, system it will pick up the all available GL accounts, created GL accounts. Okay, created GL accounts. How many GL accounts I created? 47 P&L GL accounts. See here. Batch input session. Execute. 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 Observe. Observe. Observe all FI P&L GL accounts, FI P&L GL accounts linked the cost element automatically, linked the cost element automatically as per back-end setting. As per back-end setting. See, salaries, rent, office expenses. So whatever you assigned in back-end templates level, based on that it is generated. Based on that it is generated. Okay. Select back. Next step is execute batch input session. Execute batch input session. Okay, next step number 4, execute batch input session. Execute batch input session. SM35. Already you are aware, right? How to execute. We have the foreground option, we have the background option, we have display errors only. This is the one. Select session PMSAP, select process, display errors only. Display errors only. It is created. Okay, it is created. Session overview. Sir, this is already you are aware how to execute. This is not new. Session overview. If you want to check the log processed. How many, sir? Just to see. What is the number? 48. Okay, 48 transactions read and 48 processed. 0 errors. 0 errors. Following, right? Any questions are till here? We completed, we executed the batch input session. Next one, display all cost elements, transaction code KA23. Display all cost elements KA23. Display all cost elements KA23. Select all cost elements radio button, execute. Select all cost elements radio button, execute. So see, observe the all 48 cost elements. Observe all 48 cost elements. Observe all 48 cost elements with the category. Observe all 48 cost elements with the category. This is CO level automatic creation. Okay. Sir, once FI level, if you completed the GL accounts creation during your implementation project, okay, we have to migrate all the GL accounts, right? We have to check our legacy system. Okay, if the legacy system level, if you have 100 GL accounts, 1000 GL accounts, or 10,000 GL accounts, all 10,000 GL accounts we have to create first. Okay, once GL accounts are created, then run this option. Okay, we have two options, either use FI level auto creation or CO level auto creation. If you use the FI level auto creation, then during your GL accounts itself it will create the cost element. During your GL account creation, it will create the cost elements automatically. Okay, if you are not using FI level automatic creation, then follow CO level automatic creation. Here we created 48 in one go. Within a minute it will create it, right? It was created. If you want to create manually, it will take at least 1 hour time to complete this activity. Okay, to reduce the efforts, reduce your timelines, then we can use the automatic creation. Okay, for automatic creation, it will reduce our timelines. Okay, it will reduce our timelines and efforts. Any questions are till here? We completed FI, CO, manual, automatic primary cost element. Simple. We completed the primary cost element creation. We completed primary cost element creation. Any questions? Any questions? Any doubts?
No, sir.
If no,
No, sir.
yes, sir.
No, I said no, sir.
Okay. If no, then I'm good. Okay. I'm stopping the session here, sir. Tomorrow I will explain the secondary cost elements creation. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thanks for joining.